Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today sifuna ukwenza album review entsha Shaka Sjava inkanyezi lezinkanyezi. So i-album lena ithathwe kuma projects awuthula ade ephumile before kade ephumile saqala unyaka waphuma inkanyezi uPhonto 1 then waphinde waphuma lesibili. So uthathe lezi ngoma kade recordile ade recorde neband ade recorde live connectivity yakhona wenzile ama numbers ku YouTube khona ku Spotify, but right now bayithathile bayise studio bafaka producer yabana nama features. So I think nje into esingaze sibone before and izama ukukhombisa kakhulu inside last Java le creative freedom asenawo since umuntu one record label yakhe after aphuma lapha ambitious ke. So akhona ama features abantu abafana bo Anathi, ukhona uNkosazana Daughter, ukhona uDogzini, ukhona uSiyantuli, like baningi abantu abakhona ama features akhona, but I think i-features engibonile outstanding ile noMsaki because uMsaki usewathi uthatha i-break music so ubuye lapha nakhona ingoma bayenze noSjava. I think i-magical kakhulu ikhona futhi enye ingoma enalo mntwana lo Edisoil ubuhle bendalo. So I think enye ingoma leyo ezothandwa abantu abaningi yona ngithandile because bayiyekile i-vision le yokuba ibe le vision ese stage like eband like, so now bam add ama element akhona lapho. So I think umsebenzi omningi wenziwa kakhulu kule album magical kakhulu, but nje I'm happy ukuthi ibuyile production like bakhona abantu abafana nabo uyangichuna abantu ababhizi produce no Raf bakhona kwezinye ingoma lapho babusela lo Sjava lo simazi ukuthi ingoma zakhe siphinde zibe nawo leyo element le ama bass lewe siwafuna ama instrument. So nje I think experience yakhona ku record izoba special kakhulu abantu ababe attend le show yakhe la recorder khona because babe attend studio sessions akhona because bathathe la ama voices ababe wa recordile baphinde bayise studio bafana ama features. So ezinye ngoma version akhona wasafana leziqaleni and ikhona le ngoma le ethi uyena le gospel ekade yenza ama numbers kakhulu. I think that is one of the biggest song ade iphumile kula project le oqala ephumile, and I think after sebe add ama band bayifaka bafana feature gospel I think ayisafani. I think le oqala ivision it is the one le esinobu gospel inyana nama element ya gospel even nendlela nje isihamba ngayo I think ayisalindanga le ndlela yokuqala. So ezinye ingoma zosala zibe special ngaseqaleni, but khona lenye ababeyenzile lethi igusheshe I think i-version abayenzile sinoDogzini noShui i-better than lababeyenze stage. So le ngithande kakhulu, but there is one song efeaturishiwe ekade ingekho lama project o2 ikhona enye ingoma ethi kuye inoJesse Clegg bazokhumula uJesse Clegg uthi intwana kaJohnny Clegg lo legend esemzansi kuMusic. So khona enye ingoma bayenzile leyo khuluma indaba ye-ex uthi noma kuthiwa ngiyakhala ngangibuyisela u-ex yami. So leyo ngoma I think i-personal kakhulu and abantu abaningi hayi izobathinta. So enye ingoma kade ingekho kulama projects aphumile u2 because inengoma ezu11 le inkanyezi. So I think enye ingoma epowerful kakhulu, but le feature kaMsaki lapha na kule ngoma leyana yegospel yana imdumise iyenze special kakhulu nanama emotions akhona and isithi uba expressive kakhulu because uMsaki edena ne language esiXhosa because I don't think ikhona enye language eSouth Africa expressive njengeSixhosa. So I think nje ama emotions vele wabusa wonke masinoMsaki lo ngoma. So I think enye ngoma ekhona ku special, but there's one song ekaMaskandi laphana enoDogzini laphana I think leyo ngoma ke le yalanda ngempela maybe uSjava kusamele iphinde sinikeze project amaskandi because leyo ngoma leyo ikhala ngensizwe ehlezi ikhuluma ngoqhawe lami ngabusamnana nonkosikazi ekhaya. Ngiyazazi ke insizwe ehlezi ikhuluma kanje sithi mina ngomuntu wakhulela eBergville ngiyabazi khona nje abakhuluma ngomaskandi lize leyo show la ngeBergville because into ekudala yaqala ukuba dominant khona. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi ngomaskandi bayatrenda right now, but eBergville khona abantu abakhuluma ngomaskandi kanje ngabo 2005 la kuze kuyoshonelanga. So I think leyo ngoma leyo irrelevant kuyinkabi le komanganeni le komazizini le ngiyazazi le especially lezangale ukuthukela zikhulumela ngomaskandi kuze kushonelanga. So I think leyo ngoma ipersonal izoyitha kakhulu kuzona, but nje when it comes to ama rating I think engayinikeza u8 out of 10 uSpeaker Now because i-production yakhona ihlangene. But nje I'm happy ukuthi ngibone i-freedom le kaSjava umuntu ephinde ithathe into ekade love iphinde ise studio iphinde add ama features enza into eningi different ebeyedwa. I think khombisa wona ukuthi ngempela like he's one of the kind. I think akekho umuntu osophinde efike kule level kule generation yethu kule level kaSjava indlela nje akwazi ukuthi ithathe music ngawe wasema side namani nalokuthi nje ithathe uYangchuni emfaka noJesse Clegg laphana because uJesse Clegg benza lezi ngoma yabo lezi ngoma zabelungu lezi edlala oma rock noma band, but uyayithatha uSjava into ehlanganise iphinde ithatha abafana amaqwelazi laphana ebafaka khona enye ingoma laphana ebizwa ngoma Madibuseng. That is one of the outstanding song project nakhona laphana. So nje I think uSjava ngempela wengqwele ngempela when it's come to umculo wasemzansi. So nje Speaker nawe se-enjoy kakhulu i-album, and I'm happy ukuthi ikhona i-production, because kule video sasenzile before I mentioned ukuthi no, I think we miss uSjava lo wase-studio laphana, kuphinde kubuye lama-element lakhe, siphinde sizwe sound yabo rough nanama-features, because ingoma eningi la ezenza live oyezenze yedwa. So even ama-credits bekukhona yedwa nabantu uyona amashama instrument kuphela, but lana kabukile ama-features bakhona uNkosazana Daughter, bakhona uMsaki, bakhona nje nabanye, especially ngosibiselo abantu abafana no Anathi laphana, kwa le ngoma bebeyenzile laphana ethi amashade amhlophe. So Anathi laphana wangena ku-production waphinde wabana nervous lakhona. So I think nayo leyo ngoma ngoma ezi-special kuyona. So nje I think ilendile kakhulu. So Speaker nasizwile, so sekhona ku-Twitter ithi Speaker nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook Speaker nawe, sikhona ku-Twitch Speaker nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok c.speaker.nawe. Away, we out.